Hello everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial from the 3DSN channel. In this tutorial, we will model this brick arc and also these twisted columns. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video with your friends. So, let's get started. First, for modeling the brick arc, draw a rectangle using the rectangle tool with dimensions 21 centimeters by 10 centimeters, like this. Extrude it using the push-pull tool up to 6 centimeters. This is our first brick. Then, triple-click to select it all and make it a component. Next, draw a rectangle here. Extrude it 1 centimeter. And make it a component as well. Select the brick and take a copy of this. Then select both and take another copy. Rotate it using the rotate tool. Its shortcut is Q. And move this brick up to here. Using the flip tool, I'm going to mirror it and take a copy by pressing the Control key during flipping. From this midpoint, I want to flip it like this. Then, select these bricks and flip them as well. Flipping from the midpoint. I'll press the Control key to take a copy. Now, this is our first step of bricks. Draw a rectangle here. And, using the offset tool, offset it up to here. Then erase the middle face. Extrude it up to 1 centimeter with the push-pull tool. And also make it a component. Now, select it all, make them a component. And take a copy of this and move it up. Then, rotate it 180 degrees like this. Select the bottom bricks also, and move them up by pressing Control key. Take a copy of this. After that, type 56x, then enter to copy it 56 more times, like this. Now apply a material. If you see, I select the one brick. The other bricks are also automatically selected because we made them component before. Now, from colors, I'm going to pick a color to apply. After that, apply a gray color to this also. Extrude it in by push-pull tool 0.5 centimeters. Because of its bump, it's looking much realistic. Apply a gray material to this one as well. Extrude it in 0.5 centimeters like this. Now it's looking much better and much realistic. After that, select it all and make it a group. Now I need 2 guidelines. First guideline from the bottom, I'm going to draw a guideline by tap measure tool up to 200 centimeters. from the top as well. I want to have another guideline up to 200 centimeters, like this. Now, for bending of this, use Fredo Scale plugin. If you want to get this plugin and many other free plugins, please join to our Telegram group. First, click on your object, then click on Fredo Scale plugin. Click on First Guideline. Secondly, double-click on the second guideline. And bend it up to 180 degrees. So that's it. This is our brick arc. Then I want to delete all guideline. Easily go to the Edit tab, click on Delete Guides to delete all guidelines. Move it to the center. Go to the inside of group. Select these bricks by pressing Ctrl-C to take a copy. I want to paste it outside of the group. Go to the Edit tab, click on Paste in Place. Move it here and make them unique. Make them a component as well. Go inside the component. Copy this sheet and move it to the top. Now take a copy of this, move it up. And you can rotate it 5 degrees. After that, right-click on the first component and use the Memory Copy plugin. If you want this plugin and many other free plugins, please join our Telegram group. Now, I will click on Play it again, then click on the second component to copy it twisted. Like this. Now, this is our twisted column. So, let's make the second column. Take a copy of the first bricks. Move it up like this. And type 20x. Then press Enter to copy it 20 times. I think it's not enough. Type 25x. Press Enter to copy them 25 times, like this. After that, make it a group. Then, using the Fredo Scale plugin to twist it. If you want this plugin and many other free plugins, please join our Telegram group. First, select the object, then click on the Fredo Scale plugin. Then come here. And here we have this. The segments are not enough. Right-click on that point and click on Slicing Parameters. Here, I want to increase the number of slices up to 100, then press OK. Here, we cannot add more than 60 slices. Now, I type 50. We have 50 slices here. First, click on the midpoint, then click outside of the object. After that, rotate it 90 degrees. That's it. This is the second twisted column. So, please share your thoughts about these two columns in the comments. Which one is used in architecture? So, this was our tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video with your friends. See you in the next tutorial.